Hello, everyone. A very good afternoon from the team of A.S.S Science Foundation. Today, we have a very special and inspiring story of one of our students from YMCA Faridabad. So, Anjali Rathi, she has done her BSc from MDU Rohtak, and then subsequently she pursued Masters in Environmental Sciences from YMCA Faridabad, now popularly known as JC Bose University. And she was studying in live online program with us for NET-JRF. In that series, she qualified the NET-LS in first go, and she was giving the entrances and the interview of all other institutions, including the IITs, IISER, CSIR labs. So Anjali got through the entrance and the interview at Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur, at the Center of Emerging Technology and Sustainable Development for the PhD program. So, on such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Anjali Rathi and wish her good luck for the PhD program at IIT Jodhpur. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Science program in offline, live online, correspondence with video, and only correspondence mode at our Delhi center and in online program across India. Institute also offering two programs for GATE. One is Ecology Evolution and Environmental Science and Engineering for 2025. Institute also offering very comprehensive program for the PhD entrances and interview along with the proposal writing. Institute also offer CUET PG for life sciences as well as environmental sciences. Along with that, those who are interested in pursuing their master's or the PhD program from Europe or USA are also most welcome for the applications, research proposal, and interview guidance. So those who are willing to do the required qualification for following exams can reach us in the minimum time you will be able to achieve your target. Once again, we would like to congratulate Anjali for such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck. Thank you.